ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। देहं प्राणमपीन्द्रियाण्यपि चलं बुद्धिं च शून्यं विदुः। स्त्रीबालान्धजडोपमा स्त्वहमिति भ्रान्ता भृशं वादिनः। मायाशक्तिविलासकल्पितमहा व्यामोहसंहारिणे तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नमः। इदं श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये। Nature of Atma is being discussed. So earlier, what is Atma, that was discussed, and Deha, Indriya, Prana, Kshanik Buddhi, or Manaha and Kshanik Buddhi, all of them were negated. Then it was said Sanghata is Atma, so that was also refuted. Now further, Avayava Chetana Paksham Dushayati. If each Avayava has Chetana. So briefly we saw that, we discussed it, but here separately shloka is given for that. Avayava Chetana Paksham Dushayati. Doshas in that are shown now. Bhinna Diggatya Bhiprayo Bahuchetanna Pujitam Sadyo Bhinnam Bhavedetat Nishkriyam Va Bhavishyati. भिन्न दिग्गत्यभिप्रायो बहुचेतन्न पूजितं सद्यो भिन्नं भवेदेतत् निष्क्रियं वा भविष्यति. भिन्न दिग्गति अभिप्रायः बहुचेत. If atmas are many, each avayava is one atma, then what will happen? Many atmas will be there in one body. Then they will have bhinna diggati. Each avayava wants to go in different direction based on whatever is their thinking. Bhinna, that is called bhinna diggati abhipraya. Iti chet bahu abhipraya. If there are too many opinions in any organization, also institution, where too many leaders are there, tanna pujitam, nothing will happen. Nobody will be actually making any final decision. They will just go on talking. So tanna pujitam, that is not respected. And that's why if a government, we have India as an example. In India, when a ruling party doesn't have a majority, no bill will be passed. They will not have real agenda. Their agenda will be only to make sure that all other party members are still staying within. Somebody will run from here, somebody will run from there. Coalition government, that's why it doesn't work. And if there is one government with majority, they have very clear agenda. And they will make sure things will work. Article 370, they will scrap. They don't have to wait for approval from everybody. So this is the greatness of one Atma. Many Atma doesn't work. Sadhyo bhinnam bhave detat. Either body will immediately become broken apart into many parts. Bhinnam bhavet. Athava nishkriyam bhavishyati, or actionless. Because you can't move. Somebody is pulling in the right direction, somebody left, somebody front, back. You just stand. Bahuched, bahavasched, ekasmin sanghate atmanah syuhu. In one sanghata, if there are many atmas, tada kadachid bhinna diggatya bhiprayo viruddha dikshu gamanecha tesham syad ityartha. Bhinna diggatya bhipraya. In different direction, the desire to go, this will be there. Then, astu iti chet tatra. Let it be there if you say, tan na pujitam. It is not well respected. It is not a good thing. Why? Kasman na pujitam iti chet tatraha. Sadhyo bhinnam. Ekena atmana purvasyam dishi akrishyamaanam etat sanghata rupam tada eva anyena pratityam yatha akrishyate. One Atma will pull this body sanghata in purva disha. At the same time, another Atma says, no, we have to go to paschima disha. Pratityam yatha akrishyate tatha anyena udichyamaanam udicyam anyena dakshinasyam iti. Somebody will say no, north. Somebody will say south. So east, west, north, south, all four direction. Tada bhinnam bhavet. Vidiryeta ityartha. This will be torn apart. Yada na vidiryeta, yadi na vidiryeta, if it doesn't get torn apart, tathapi nishkriyam kadachit bhavet. Then it will just stay actionless. Nothing to do. Ekena akrishyamanasya anyai sthapyamanatvad ityartha. One, when it pulls in one direction, another will bring it back to its position. Third will pull. Fourth will bring it back to its position. Tasmad vicharyamane sanghata tad avayavanam atmatvam na sangacchate iti tad vilakshana eva atma abhipagantave iti siddham. And you can also see, if one government doesn't last for long also, then also there are issues. One will do something, other will do exactly opposite and bring the country back to where it was. So, vicharyamane sanghata tad avayavanam atmatvam na sangachate. Assembly or its parts being atma, it doesn't work. It doesn't hold good. Iti. And therefore, tad vilakshana eva atma abhipagantavya. Atma should be different from that. Iti siddha. Evam api yavan deha tavan eva tad antargata atma. Iti jain matanusarinaha. Anuparimana eva iti vedanta ekadeshinaha. Vibhureva atma iti anya sankhya-dayo manyante. So, some people say, okay, yavan deha tavan atma. Whatever is the size of the body, that should be. So now, parimana. Earlier was, what is atma? Swarupa. Now is parimana. What is the size of the atma? Somebody says, it is madhyama parimana. Jain matanusarina. Whatever is the size of the body, that is the size of atma. Vedanta ekadeshina means Vishishta Advaita here. Ekadeshi means some people within Vedanta, they say Atma is Anuparimana. Eshonuratma chetasa veditavyaha. This is their quotation. Vibhu eva Atma. This is Sankhya. Vedanta also agrees with that. अतो देहादि विलक्षणोपि आत्मा किम परिमाण. Okay, let us say we understood it is not body, senses, prana, mind, kshanik buddhi, sanghata, avayava, all that is rejected. What is its size? Iti vichikitsayam aha. Vichikitsa, shanka, samshaya. On that it is said, dehasyantargatopyatma व्याप्त एवेति बुध्यते अणुप्रमाणश्चेदेश व्याप्नुयान्नाखिलं वपुः. देहस्यान्तर्गतोऽप्यात्मा व्याप्त एवेति बुध्यते अणुप्रमाणश्चेदेश व्याप्नुयान्नाखिलं वपुः. देहस्य अंतर्गतो अपि आत्मा व्याप्त एव इति बुध्यते. Even though it is inside the body, it appears that Atma is Vyapta. Here Vyapta Shabda means Vyapaka you have to take. In Tika it is explained. Vyapta eva iti buddhyate means even though experience of Atma is in the body, Atma is pervading the whole body at least. Iti buddhyate, iti jnayate. Anupramanashched, if it is very little, small, vyapnuyan na akhilam vapuhu, then entire body it cannot pervade. So first, anu pramana nisheda is done by using the madhyam parimana. Anu parimana or pramana will be negated. Then once madhyam parimana is there, then madhyam parimana will be negated, like that. If it is very small inside the body, then at the same time in the body everywhere sensation will not be there. But we do get it, like when you enter in Gangaji, cold water, whole body gets the cold feeling, not only just legs or hands. Vyapta eva iti kartari nishtha. Vyapaka eva ityartha. So vyaptlu dhatu, in that kartari nishtha pratyaya you have to see. Kartari pratyaya. Kartarikta. So vyapta is given, vyapaka eva you have to understand. Iti buddhyate. Iti buddhyate jnayate nischiyata iti. So Atma is vyapaka in the body at least. That you must understand. Katham iti chet, how do you say? Pakshantarayoho dushtatvad iti abhipretya anuparimanattvade doshamaha. In the other paksha there will be dosha. Pakshantarayoho dushtatvad. So pakshantara means if Atma is not understood as vyapaka. Even though inside the body there is experience, but it is outside also. So both anu parimana and deha parimana, both paksha, that's why pakshantara yoho, dvivachana. Dushtatvad iti abhipretya anuparimanattvade dosh. First anuparimana dosha is given. Asmin pakshe सर्वांगगत शीतोष्णादि निबंधन वेदना अनुसंधान यौगपद्या भावः प्रसज्येत. If Atma is Anu, then in the entire body Shita, Ushna, Adi Nibandhana, Vedana, Anusandhanam. So this kind of experience or feeling, that cold in the entire body or hot in the entire body at the same time, you cannot feel. Like if you are standing outside, let us say, not standing, just walking quickly also, it is 42 degrees Celsius. 42 degrees Celsius, whole body will feel hot. Not one anu of the body where Atma is. And if you are sitting in some air conditioned room, then whole body will feel cool. So, simultaneously, at the same time, that is Yogapadya, Anusandhana Yogapadya, Abhava Prasajyeta. If the Atma is only Anu Pramana, means Anu Parimana. तथा च अणुमात्र चेतनाधिष्ठितस्य युगपद अनेक अंग व्यूहन प्रत्युहनादि व्यापार अभाव प्रसंगः इत्यादि दोषो दुष्परः इत्यर्थः. Another dosha also will come which you cannot avoid, which you cannot do parihara of. And what is that dosha? That at the same time you cannot fold and unfold body parts. Yugapad anek anga, multiple, like both hands you want to stretch and both hands you want to bring them back. This is called vyuhana pratyuhana, spreading and contracting. So you will have to answer, where is Atma, in the right hand or in left hand at that time? Because it is anu size, so it will be there somewhere small. Or if it is there in one finger, all 5 fingers you cannot close and make a fist. You will have to first close one finger, then second finger, then third, then fourth, then fifth. The Atma has to go from one to the other. It is small. All these doshas will come. Deha parimana atma pakshe doshamaha. Now, if you say no, Atma is size of the body, then deha pramanaschenna syat balasya sthaviradita dehavat parinami chet तद्वदेव विनक्ष्यति. देह प्रमाणश्चेन्न स्याद् बालस्य स्थविरादिता देहवत् परिणामी चेत् तद्वदेव विनक्ष्यति. If Atma is Deha Pramana, means Deha Parimana, the size of the body, then a child, what will be the size of the Atma? Little, because the baby's body is small, less than 1 foot. Then he cannot grow and become old. Sthaviradita. Sthaviradita means old age. He will not grow only. He will never become 6 foot tall. Atma will remain only 1 foot Atma. So they say, no. As body grows, Atma also grows. If body shrinks, Atma also has to shrink. So that will be also discussed. That is given in the next shloka. Here only this much. Dehavat parinami. It grows and shrinks. Then, if Deha dies, then Atma also has to die. Because whatever is parinami is vinashi. अस्मिन् मते बालस्य स्थविरादिता युवः स्थविरादि भावो न स्यात्. In this mata, balasya sthaviradita means yuvaha, then sthaviradi bhav. Youth and then old age. Sthavira means old age. Na syat. Sharira parimananam bhinnatvat. Because the size of the body will be different for each stage. Tadgata atmanopi bhinna iti naikasya balyadya avastha siddhyet. And therefore Atma also will be different. So one alone is going through all avastha will not be possible because Sharira sizes are different. And if you say No, okay. Let us say in every size there is different Atma. तस्य अनंगीकारे प्रत्यभिज्ञा विरोध प्रसज्येत इति भावः. If you don't accept that there is only one Atma and you say there are many Atmas in every stage there is one, then pratyabhignya virodha will come. What is the pratyabhignya? That I was child, when I was young, I was doing this. When I was going to school, so we remember that is pratyabhignya. If that was different Atma who went to school, and different Atma who went to college, and different Atma, the one who went to Sandipani, and a different Atma who came to Kailash, everybody is different then. So pratyabhignya virodha will come. Atraiva dushanantaram aha. Another dushanam is given. Karmanam parinamena krimi hastyadi murtishu vyaptatvat pravishatyatma ghatadishvantarikshavat. कर्मणां परिणामेन कृमिहस्त्यादिमूर्तिषु व्याप्तत्वात् प्रविशत्यात्मा घटादिष्वन्तरिक्षवत्. In the previous shloka, vinangshyati is there, verb, kriyapada is vinangshyati. Vi upasarga purvak, nash dhatu is there. Nash dhatu is there. Nash means adarshanam. Not nash, but adarshanam. Nash dhatu churadigana. In lit lakara, it will become nangshyati. In nangshyati, how that nangsha comes, that you have to understand. There is one sutra, Masjid Ashor Jhali. So there is one Num Agama. Then Anuswarasya Yai Parasavarna will also happen. Vrashcha, Bhrashja, multiple sutras will apply to make Nangshyati. But it is something, some exercise you can do if you want to know how that word is formed. Okay. Vinangshyati. Atraiva dushanantaram aha. Here another dushana is given. Karmanam parinamena. If because of different karmas, in one janma, krimi means a worm, krimi or krimi, and in another karma, another janma, hasti, elephant. From a small insect to elephant or a worm to elephant, ityadi murtishu vyaptatvat pravishati atma ghatadishu antarikshavat. Because of all this, atma has to be vyapta only, pervading only. Otherwise, its size growing big and small, all this will not work. So if it is vyapta, then there is no problem. How? Like space is pervading in the pot, but that which is pervading, so when you move the pot, ghatadishu antarikshavat. When you move the pot, space is not moving. Pot is moving inside the space. Like that, pervading Atma is there. In that, body can grow and shrink. Atma remains the same. So there is no problem then. Ayam abhiprayah. Santi eva ekasya atmano anekani karmani viruddha aneka deha pravesha yogyani. We perform lot of varieties of karmas. Many of them are opposite to each other. And therefore, it can give rise to different kinds of bodies. अनेकदेहप्रवेशयोग्यानि। तत्र मनुष्यशरीरपरिमाणस्य आत्मनः कदाचित् केनचित् कर्मणा हस्तिजन्म प्राप्नुवतः। इफ मनुष्य शरीर इज देयर, then kadachit kenachit karmana, because of some karma, let us say hasti janma comes. So manushya parimana, let's say, is one size. From that elephant body, then that tat shariram na puriyata, that body will not be complete, that atma will not be able to fill completely in the elephant body. Lot of places atma will not be there. कदाचित कृमि शरीरम प्राप्नुवतो न तत्र जीवः समीयेत. And suddenly if krimi sharira is attained, then prapnuvatah, then jiva cannot fit in there. Na mi saha tatra na miyeta. Miyeta means he will not be able to fit in, measure it actually. Miyeta means he will not be able to fit therein. Ato nayam api pakshah sadhuriti. Therefore neither of this paksha is sadhu. Ayam paksha means deha parimana. Purva was anu parimana. Therefore vyapaka atma pakshe nayam dosha. If you take atma as vyapaka, then there is no dosha. Ityaha. Why? Vyaptatvat pravishati atma ghatadishu antarikshavat. If it is pervading, then antarikshavat, like akasha, atma is pervading everywhere. Means everything will exist in it. And it is that which is vyapaka is sukshma also. So it doesn't have to go anywhere. It doesn't have any size issues. You know, they have one size fits all. One size only. If there is too many size issues, small, medium, large, there is a problem. अल्प परिमाणे अपि प्रतीयमान आत्मा व्यापक एव इति अत्र लिंगमाह. Even if it is alpa here means you have to understand sukshma. Even if atma is very subtle, sukshma parimane api pratiyamana atma vyapaka eva. Means we say it is sukshma, but we don't say it is anu. Like how Vishishta Advaita says. It is sukshma, but it is vyapaka. It is subtle. In that lingam aha. Now for arthapatti pramana, two lingams are given. Paramanu pramanepi manasi pratibhasate स्वप्ने चराचरं विश्व मात्मन्येव प्रतिष्ठितम्. परमाणु प्रमाणेपि मनसि प्रतिभासते स्वप्ने चराचरं विश्व मात्मन्येव प्रतिष्ठितम्. Parmanu Pramana means even if it is very Parmanu Shabda, here you have to take Parama Sukshma. Even if it is extremely subtle, Manasi Pratibhasate Atma. Atma Shabda Adhyara you have to do. Atma appears means Atma's Pratibimba is there in mind. So even if it is very subtle and all pervading, parama sukshme api manasi pratibhasate. In the mind, Atma is there. This is one lingam. What is pointed out is, even if it is subtle, it can express in mind. And mind itself is Paramanu Pramana. Other than Nyaya considers mind as Vibhu. But otherwise in Vedanta, we don't say mind is all pervading. Mind is subtle. That's why it is Sukshma Sharira, Anu. So Anu Pramanepi Manasi Vyapaka Atma Pratibhasate. Parmanu Pramana means is of the mind. Mind which is so small, subtle, in that also Atma can express. Atma Pratibhasate. And Swapne, this is one lingam. Parama Sukshme api Atmani, Manasi ityartha. In Parama Sukshma, mind also Atma can express. Second linga is Swapne Characharam Vishwam Atmani eva Pratishtitam. In Swapna, entire Vishwa, Characharam, moving and non-moving, entire world is seen within Atma. Atmani eva Pratishtitam. And in Jagrat also, entire Vishwa is there in Atma. Mayi eva sakalam jatam, Mayi sarvam pratishtitam, Mayi sarvam layam yati, tad brahma dvayam asmyaham. So, I am that in which Mayi eva pratishtitam. So, here is Atmani eva pratishtitam. Vishwam. So, two lingas are given. Here, Tika is very small. Paramanu Pramana, Parama Sukshma api ityartha. Parama Sukshme api ityartha. Lingantaram. Second linga is Swapna. Etad linga dvayam arthapatya atmano vyapakatva gamakam iti drashtavyam. Etad linga dvayam. These 2 pointers, these 2 linga means hetu through arthapatti. So, what will be the arthapatti? If Atma was not Vyapaka, then in the subtle mind, Atma would not express. This is first linga, arthapatti. If Atma was not Vyapaka, like if he was not eating at night, then he would not be fat. Like that, if Atma was not Vyapaka, Atma would not express in the mind, which is so small, Anu, Sukshma. So, because Atma expresses in subtle mind, therefore Atma has to be Vyapaka. This is first linga, arthapatti. Second, entire Vishwa in Swapna is present in Atma. So, therefore Atma has to be Vyapaka. If Atma was not Vyapaka, the world would not exist in Atma. Swapne or Jagrati, both. Therefore, etad linga dvayam arthapatya atmano vyapakatva gamakam iti drashtavyam. In this way, Atma is Vyapaka. This you should understand. Tasmat dehadi atmavadanam yukti asahatvat प्रमाण शून्यत्वाच्च देहादिषु अहम अभिमानो भ्रम एव इति सिद्धम इति उपसंहरति. Therefore, dehadi atmavada, they are yukti asaha. Logically, they are incorrect. Pramana shunya, there is no valid means of knowledge for that. And therefore, dehadishu aham abhimana is bhrama eva. Iti siddham iti upasamharati. So, through yukti, it is established, and now he is concluding that portion. Dehadishvaham brahma samsara hetukah antah pravishta shasteti mokshayopadishatshruti. Dehadishvahamityevam brahma samsara hetukah antah pravishta shasteti mokshayopadishatshruti. Dehadishu aham iti evam brahma samsara hetukah. Dehadishu, in body, etc., aham bhava is Brahma and it is the hetu for samsara. It is the cause of samsara. Shruti also says antah pravishta shasta iti mokshaya upadishat shrutihi. Shrutihi, Shvetashwatra Shrutihi, mokshaya upadishat. For moksha it gave the upadesha antah pravishta shasta jananam. In this way. संसार हेतुकः संसार हेतु अविद्या हेतुकः इत्यर्थः. Brahma is samsara hetuka means Brahma is samsara hetu avidya hetukaha. Sansara hetu is avidya. Avidya hetuka means avidya hetu yasya brahmasya. So avidya produces Brahma, Brahma produces samsara. In this way you should understand. Huh? संसार हेतु अविद्या हेतु कहा. अविद्या हेतु कहा विल बिकम बहुव्रीहि. संसार हेतु विल बी षष्ठी समास. संसारस्य हेतु अविद्या. अविद्या हेतु यस्य भ्रमस्य तद भ्रमः अविद्या हेतु कहा इत्यर्थः. In other words, samsara produces, avidya produces adhyasa, adhyasa produces samsara. सृष्टेषु देहादिषु आत्मनो अन्यस्य प्रवेश श्रुतेः अपि संघाताद् अन्य आत्मा एव एष्टव्य इति अभिप्रायत्य आह. In the created body, except सृष्टेषु देहादिषु आत्मनो अन्यस्य प्रवेश श्रुतेः अपि. Atma which is different, which has entered in this body. So Sanghatad Anya Atma. Atma is different from this whole body, mind, senses complex. Such Atma you must understand. Atma eva eshtavya ityabhipretyaha antah pravishta. Atma has entered. Tatha cha Shrutihi antah pravishta shasta jananam ekasan bahudha vichara is again vichachara. It should be, I think. In Shvetashvatara, vichachara is given. Here it is given Taittiriya Aranyaka. Mokshaya iti sanghat vivekaya ityartha. To do the viveka, it is said antah pravishta. So antah pravishta means is different from it. Like I entered my room means I am different from room. It is very simple. So Paramatma entered this creation or this Panchakosha means Paramatma is different from Panchakosha. Ityartha. So Mokshaya means Sanghata Vivekaya. Sanghatat Bhinna Atma iti Vivekaya. Prakaranartham upasamharati. Now the whole topic is being concluded. एवमेषा महामाया वादिनामपि मोहिनी यस्मात् साक्षात्कृते सद्यो लीयते च सदा शिवे. एवमेषा महामाया वादिनामपि मोहिनी यस्मात् साक्षात्कृते सद्यो लीयते च सदा शिवे. एवं in this way एषा महामाया, this महामाया वादिनामपि मोहिनी. For all the vadis means those who are learned scholars also, those who have knowledge of so many branches of scriptures, even they get deluded. That is how it is shown. What is the Atma? In that there is confusion. What is the size of the Atma? That is confusion. Whether it is Chid, Achid, Chidachid, confusion. So if Shastra is not used as Pramana, is not properly seen, then all these confusions will be there. Vadinam api mohini, yasmat vadinam api mohini, tasmat sakshatkrite sadyo sadashive sakshatkrite. When Sadashiva, Paramatma, is its sakshatkara is done, then sadyo liyate, and quickly there is laya of this Maya. एषा महेश्वर शक्ति ही ईश्वर शक्ति कृत व्यामोह निबंधना एव वादिनां कल्पना इति अत्र नियामकम आह. ईश्वर शक्ति कृत, ऑल दिस व्यामोह इज माया शक्ति विलास कल्पित महाव्यामोह. सो इट इज ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ माया, भ्रम, भ्रांति, अविद्या कॉजिंग भ्रांति. ईश्वर शक्तिकृत व्यामोह निबंधना एव वादिनाम कल्पना. And then they all do different kalpana. Somebody says Atma should be this size, that size. If you use Apaurushaya Pramana, there will be so much confusion. Iti atra niyamakam aha. Therefore the niyamaka is Yasmat Sadashive Sakshatkrit. So Yasmat evam Tasmat. When you do sakshatkara, Sadashive sakshatkrite yasmat sadyo liyate tasman maya mayi sarvakalpana. Yes, put it differently. How do you prove everything is maya? Because you just realize Paramatma and you will understand everything has to be illusion only. Sadashive sakshatkrite yasmat sadyo liyate tasman maya mayi sarvakalpana ityartha. So now three padas are done. Chaturtha pada tasmai Shri Guru Murtaye namaha iti asya tat shabdartham prakatayan artham aha. Tasmai Shri Guru Murtaye. What is kasmai? What is the meaning of the tat shabda in that tasmai? Tat shabdartham prakatayan artham aha. Dehendriya suhinaya मानदूरस्वरूपिणे ज्ञानानंदस्वरूपाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. देहेन्द्रियासुहीनाय मानदूरस्वरूपिणे ज्ञानानंदस्वरूपाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. What is the meaning of the word tat? Deha indriya suhina. Deha indriya suhina. Not dehendriya. Dehendriya suhina. Deha, body. Indriya, sense organ. Asu means prana. The one who is devoid of body, senses, prana. Dehendriya suhina. Tasmai dehendriyat suhinaya. Mana dura swarupine. Mana means pramana. Manebhyah duram swarupam yasya saha manad dura swarupin. Tasmai manad dura swarupine. Manebhyah duram. The one who is far from all the reach of pramanas, where pramanas cannot reach. Manebhyah duram, manaduram. Swarupam yasya. Whose swarupa is that? He will be manadura swarupin or manadura swarupi. Tasmai chaturthi vibhakti will be manadura swarupine. Jnanananda swarupaya, and the one who is Jnana Ananda Swarupa. Tasmai Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. To that Dakshinamurti is this Namaskara. In this way now, Panchama Ullasa is being concluded. Panchama Shloka Vyakhyam Upasamharati. So the exposition of Vartika on the Panchama Shloka is being concluded. Iti Shri Dakshinamurti स्तोत्रार्थ प्रतिपादके प्रबन्धे मानसोल्लासे पञ्चमोल्लाससङ्ग्रहः इति श्रीदक्षिणामूर्ति स्तोत्रार्थप्रतिपादके प्रबन्धे मानसोल्लासे पंचमोल्लाससंग्रहः। इति दस श्री दक्षिणामूर्ति स्तोत्र अर्थ प्रतिपादके मानसोल्लासे प्रबंधे पंचम उल्लास संग्रहः इति मीन्स समाप्तः, इट इज ओवर। इन द दक्षिणामूर्ति स्तोत्र its अर्थ प्रतिपादक ग्रंथ is Manasollasa, the one which is expounding the meaning of Dakshinamurti Stotra Artha. In that Prabandha, Panchama Ullasa Sangra is Samapta. Fifth Ullasa is over. Iti Shri Manasollasa Vrittante Panchama Ullasa Samaptaha. Now, tomorrow we will start with the sixth one. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayana Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om.